Hey guys, it's Jason with Eustis Roofing and Roof Talk, and we're on a metal roof today that was installed incorrectly by another contractor. So we're here to fix it. We run into this every day. People think once they go with metal, it's gonna be great, but you really gotta have a qualified installer and a company that stands behind their work. And if you look right here, this is all rotted. It's in really, really bad shape. This is a newer metal roof that was put on by a contractor. And guess what? When they called him when they had the first leak, he never came back out. And that's something that we run into every day. We're always out fixing other contractor stuff. So it's so important to know who you're hiring when you're doing your metal roof. And why do I think we're a valuable asset to the roofing industry? Is because we have awesome equipment, CNC machines, the metal machines. We are heavily invested in what we do. We want to be the best. So when you're hiring a contractor to put your metal roof on, ask him, does he have his own equipment? Does he got his own CNC machines? Does he have qualified people to install it? I cannot tell you how important it is to have qualified people to install it. That's one of the #1 things about metal roofing, is having the right people to do the job and then standing behind your work. There's some other problems with this metal roof too. This chimney here had 0 flashing on it when they were done. And from the ground it looked great, but it really wasn't great. And once it started leaking, the contractor never came back out. So we're here today to fix it for the homeowner. The problem is they've got to spend a lot more money to get this fixed. It would have been cheaper to go with a higher quote in the end where they wouldn't have any issues at all. Some of the things that I'm noticing while I'm even talking on this video, if you look over here, you'll start to see the screws. See these screws right here? These are the cheapest screws you can buy. These will not last long. This screw right here, that's a much better fastener than that one. However, this roof has many different fasteners on it. Instead of sticking with a qualified fastener, they went with whatever they had in the truck for that day. That's why it's so important to know what's going on with your roof. And this certain panel takes a fastener. Well, if you're gonna put a fastener on it and you got a 50-year roof, you better have a 50-year fastener. And so those are the issues that we see. You can see some of these other fasteners, like this one. This fastener isn't installed right, it's not the right angle. I mean, you're gonna run into that, but if you had the quality fasteners, you wouldn't run into that. They sit much better if you notice right here. So guys, there's so many issues that we're finding wrong with this roof, and I can't stress enough how important it is to hire a qualified contractor that is heavily invested in what they do, and they have awesome people that work with them. Our culture is one of the most important things at our business, to hire great people and create an awesome culture for them to work in so that you're not stuck with stuff like this. So click the link below. Give us a call if you want a metal roof from a contractor that knows what he's doing so you don't have these issues. Thank you.